Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a chat box to a scene on Streamlabs OBS. So let's go ahead and set something up. And this is going to be for widgets. So I'm going to choose in-game right here. Looks like I already have a chat box selected. So let's go to a different one. So let's go to where it says gaming news for me. And then I'm going to go ahead and transform this image in the background so it fits the screen. And boom, that's what it looks like. And then what I want to do is go to the plus icon, and then we want to go to widgets on the top. And then we can go on over to Chatbox, and then we can add the source. It says it supports YouTube chat, Twitch chat, Facebook, or Trovo. I don't know what the last one is, but we can go to add source now, and then we can add an existing source. So let's see what this says. So we can, I don't know, maybe do like Twitch chat or something in here, and then go to add source. And here's your different themes. You can go to the Twitch theme. You can always show the message. You can adjust the delay or the chat delay. We got badges, show moderator. Okay, and then we can continue to go down if we want to change the chat color, the font size right here. Maybe make a little bit bigger so it displays on the stream more. The background, and then browser settings. Scroll line down, so we can adjust the width of this box on the top or the height. So if we don't want the default one, just adjust these values right here. And then we can scroll on down and then custom codes. Enable custom codes, see what this is. Edit custom code. I don't think I've ever used this before. I think we can go ahead and insert like an HTML. Okay. So we can close that now. And then we have our chat box right here. And we want to move it to the location which we want the chat to display. Typically on the top right. So you can adjust that, make it bigger or smaller. If you want this a little bit longer too, you want it to take up the entire scene or the screen on the right side, we can go back to the browser settings and we can just adjust the height. Maybe make this 900 and then close. So you can see it's a little bit longer now. And we can make it a little bit smaller and put it right there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.